are trying to find parking in Philadelphia. As you can see, we're just in massive amounts of pedestrian traffic and vehicle traffic. And a lot of the parking spaces are taken. That's alright. We'll find something.
We are in downtown Philadelphia. We ended up on the outskirts of downtown because there was no way to park in the middle of downtown, of course. Yay, we got parking. Yay. Paid for it, we're legal. Why don't you go get in that water? Yeah. Somewhere to eat, and literally as soon as we started looking, right across the street there's a plant-based restaurant, HipCityVeg. We're gonna go check it out. This is supposed to be an arugula taco salad.
Crispy chicken thing.
Crispy chicken thing. Some kind of sandwich. And sweet potato fries. Okay, we have food in our bellies. We are energized.
Yay!
We're gonna kick on Philadelphia. Or it means just walk around. It means just walk around and see what's up. Veg is a restaurant that we actually saw a review on last night on YouTube, and we just happened to walk past it just by chance. Maybe we'll try that another day. I guess we're in the gay area. It's called the Gayborhood. Literally, it's called that. Found this cool alleyway. It's like a street, but like crazy narrow. Look at that. Yet another mall. Every city we go to, we end up in a mall somehow. But we're happy this time because it's like 95 degrees outside. It's nice in here. This. I would say gray, because we have dogs. We wait and wait because they have one cashier. That was not the World Naked Bike Ride. Hey, yeah, it is. It's very convenient.
It's like when you just put it on your
Computer.
laptop.
Yeah, same with this one.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
There, it's recording.
I'm trying to rob you. Please don't. God, just ask for it.
Colorado.
Oh wow. I love to visit Colorado.
You should. It's beautiful there.
I just like the mountains, ice. My wife, she'll never go. I'll never get it.
To the mountains?
Huh?
To the mountains?
Well, where it's cold.
Oh.
Yeah, she don't like it cold.
Yeah, go in the summertime. It's nice in the summer. Yeah, it's not humid like this. It's dry heat.
Really?
Yeah, it doesn't feel as hot.
It's not as bad, yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. So, yeah, I just seen the camera.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
See you, man. We found out what that building actually is. It's Philadelphia City Hall. We looked on a map. I'm sure it has a name other than that. It's very old. What?
Dilworth Park.
Dilworth Park. So maybe it's Dilworth, the Dilworth building?
Philadelphia.
This is our very first World Naked Bike Ride event. We have a ride at the start line. Oh yeah, starting